Hello, everyone. Today, we're tackling a topic that could shape your health: the truth about olive oil and canola oil. Have you been told canola oil is the healthy choice, or that olive oil solves everything? By the end of this video, your perspective will completely shift. Let's start with a shocking fact. Did you know that many olive oils on the market don't meet quality standards? A UC Davis study found that 69% of Italian extra virgin olive oils sold in the U.S. failed USDA quality tests, often due to taste or aroma issues, and some were even mixed with other oils. What about canola oil? Its source, canola, is a modified rapeseed, developed in Canada in the 1970s to reduce toxic erucic acid, making it safe for consumption through scientific breeding. Now let's compare the two oils. First, olive oil. True extra virgin olive oil is made by physically pressing olives with no chemical processing. It's rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants, including oleocanthal, which has anti-inflammatory effects similar to ibuprofen. But here's a key point: extra virgin olive oil has a smoke point of about 190 C, fine for sautéing, but not ideal for high-heat frying, as it can destroy its valuable antioxidants. Canola oil, on the other hand, has a higher smoke point around 240 C, making it great for high-heat cooking. It contains about 10% alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 fatty acid that supports heart health, and 61% oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat similar to olive oil's composition. Is there a catch with canola oil's production? It's often extracted using hexane, a chemical solvent, and refined at high temperatures. However, studies confirm that residual solvents are negligible in the final product, and refining removes unwanted substances, making it safe. What about erucic acid concerns? Old rapeseed oil was high in erucic acid, raising health worries, but modern canola oil contains less than 0.5%, a level deemed safe by regulators. So which oil should you use when? It depends on the purpose. For low-heat cooking or salad dressings, choose high-quality extra virgin olive oil. To spot the real deal, pick dark glass bottles, check for clear producer and origin labels, and avoid suspiciously cheap products. Quality olive oil comes at a cost. For high-heat cooking, canola oil is a solid choice, but avocado oil is even better, with a smoke point of 270 C and high monounsaturated fats, making it stable at high temperatures. If you use canola oil, opt for cold-pressed versions when possible. Cold pressing at under 40 C minimizes nutrient loss. Here's a critical point many overlook: storage matters. All oils oxidize when exposed to light, heat, or air, forming harmful compounds. Oils high in omega-3s like canola oxidize faster. Store opened oils in the fridge and use within 6 months. Never reuse oil. Once exposed to high heat, it can form oxidized compounds and harmful substances. Here's an intriguing fact from recent research. Olive oil's antioxidants not only support heart health but may also benefit brain health and cancer prevention. This is a big reason the Mediterranean diet gets so much praise. Canola oil, with its balanced omega-3 and omega-6 ratio, can help prevent chronic inflammation, making it practical for high-heat Asian cooking. In conclusion, olive oil and canola oil each have unique strengths. The key is understanding their properties and using them wisely. Choose high-quality products, cook at appropriate temperatures, and store them properly. For your health, don't rely on one oil. Use olive oil for low-heat dishes, canola or avocado oil for high-heat cooking, and most importantly, reduce processed foods and cook fresh meals at home. If this video helped your healthy eating journey, please like and subscribe and share your favorite oils or experiences in the comments. We'll be back with more fascinating health insights next time. Thank you.